Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about a very common English idiom. A penny saved is a penny earned.
At first, this sentence can feel a little strange. A penny is just 1 cent. It's a very small amount of money. So you might think, why is this important? But this idiom is not really about 1 penny. It's about how we think about money. So what does it mean? A penny saved is a penny earned means this. When you save money, it is the same as earning money. In other words, if you don't spend money, you are helping yourself just like when you make money. Let's think about that for a second. Usually, we feel good when we earn money. We work, we get paid, and we think, great, I have more money now. But this idiom reminds us of something important. Not spending money is also powerful. Saving money is like giving yourself money also. Imagine you are walking outside and you pass a coffee shop. You want to buy a drink? The coffee costs $5. You go inside, but then you stop. You think, I have coffee at home. So you leave the shop and go home. You make your own coffee. Now, you did not earn $5 from a job, but you saved $5. And because you saved that money, you still have it. That's why we say a penny saved is a penny earned. Here's another example. Let's say you want to buy a new book. Instead of buying it right away, you decide to wait. A week later, you find the same book on sale for half the price. Now you saved money. You didn't earn extra money, but you kept more of what you already have. That's the idea. Saving is just as important as earning. Imagine your friend invites you to eat at a restaurant every day. It's fun and the food is good, but eating out every day costs a lot of money. So instead, you have a lot more money than before. You didn't change your job, you didn't get paid more, but you were careful with your money. And that made a big difference. That's exactly what this idiom is teaching us. It's not always about making more money sometimes. It's about being smart with the money you already have.
So, a penny saved is a penny earned means saving money is just as important as making money. All right, that's it for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.